Engadget reports 3 people with tetraplegia, a form of paralysis that affects all 4 limbs and the torso, are able to operate an unmodified tablet with the help of a brain implant. The patients are part of a new clinical trial for BrainGate 2, a system that uses an array of microelectrodes implanted into the region of the brain that controls voluntary movements called the motor cortex. The implants decode neural signals and convert them to computer actions in real time. The 3 participants simply had to think of the digital action they wanted to perform, and the system will pick it up. The study says the participants were able to browse the web and send an email. One of the participants was able to order groceries online and play a digital piano, while the other 2 were able to chat with each other real time.